I get blinker maybe, I don't know. Stop maybe, I don't know, and maybe you could stop too. That'd be nice. Larger piece. What the hell did you just do? Left turn dive. New York to Hollywood. That was a cutoff. Thank you. Pedestrian. That was a cutoff. That wasn't a stop. You're a masshole. Oh, thank you. And thank you too. Hi, there's someone there, you know, and that's next dive. Yep. Sibadoosh. Hi, hello, someone's there. Try a blinker. Don't go. What are you doing, You're a fucking red light, you shithead. Well, they didn't have a red light, but you shouldn't have gone anyway. Great, now I have to sit through the fucking red arrow again. And ran the red. Transportation services. Oh, hello. There's a cutoff. I was doing almost 50 and a 40, so I don't know what the hell you're doing. Ram hole. Tough guy. Tough guy. Cut off. FedEx. Wild man. Wild man. You drive a Toyota mommy mobile. You're not a wild man. Oh, Christ. Get off my ass, thank you. Asshole. You're gonna pass me, fuckface? Thank you. Thank you, there you go. Thanks. Oh, is that an asshole again? Good use of the turn lane, stupid. Exit dive. Exit dive. Pull out a little. Tilt. Ran the red. They ran the red. Don't pull in front of me. Thank you. You just ran the red. Hello, 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 hello. Tough guy. Did you cut him off? Would you like to get off my ass, please? Thank you. Exit regret. Don't run the red, you're flying. That's close. You're still flying, though. Check the replay. Oh, for fuck's sake, it took so long. Huh. We're in the red.